Hello everyone, can you prove that? Let's see check them. First of all, I would like to request you for subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay. You know 1 equal 1, but we can write 1 equal 41 minus 40, 61 minus 60. Not wrong. 41 equal 16 plus 25 minus 40. 61 equal 36 plus 25 minus 60. 16 equal 4 to the power 2 and 25 equal 5 to the power 2. This 40 you can write 2 times 4 times 5. 36 equal 6 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 2 minus this 60 we can write 2 times 6 times 5. But in the mathematics you know this equation x minus y square equal x square plus y square minus 2 times xy. Now we compare above value to the equation. X is equal 4 and y is equal 5. In the right side, x is equal 6 and y is equal 5. Did you see this? Square to the both sides, we can neglect them. After that, 4 minus 5 equal 6 minus 5. After that, this minus 5 take to the right side and we can write 4 equal 6 minus 5 plus 5. Now we divided by 2 both sides and left side equal 2, right side equal 3. You know 2 is equal 1 plus 1. Finally, we proved that. What is the wrong place? Comment to answer and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.